So this is a City on Water project by Jason Lau, Will Mackin, and Jack Fluth. So a mega engineering project is essentially a multinational project that is beneficial to humanity and essentially fixes a major problem.
So a city on water is basically a floating city that is just putting on a boat, and it helps solve our problem of overpopulation because one day there's going to be too many people for the land to support us, and we're going to have to move somewhere. So why not water?
Alright, so the floating city is basically a large square area that is on a like a boat hull. So it floats, and it's also going to have weights and stuff, so it's distributed evenly. It's going to be covered, surrounded on all sides with walls, and it'll have 9 sections: 2 residential where the people will live, 1 educational where there's a school, 1 market where we will sell and buy products, 1 recreational where there'll be a park and where education takes place, or entertainment, and then 1 agricultural so we can be sustainable and make our own food, 1 industrial complex where we can provide our own energy from wind turbines, solar panels, and also we can manufacture products, and also desalinize water. We can convert salt water into drinkable water. 1 public services with the hospital, fire station, and police station. 1 shipping center where we can get ships from the mainland to give us materials or products, and multiple storage areas.
So some scientific complications for making this project is essentially money. Money is required for everything, for paying all the engineers, for all the materials that we need, for shipping everything to the location. It's just a whole big mess that requires money. Another complication would be a viable location for putting the city in. Some things that have to be taken into consideration would be light. The solar panels have to run on light, obviously, and wind power, wind because of the turbines.
So some other complications are hurricanes are very dangerous because there's not a lot of protection against them. So if one comes, we're pretty much dead. Marine life would be disturbed, and they would not have their natural habitat, possibly leading to death to marine animals. And national cooperation because we need all of us to work together to make this, but in the past this has not been proven to work.
Okay, so all the technology already exists. We know how to desalinize water. We know how to make products. We know how to make apartments and all this stuff. We know how to make things float on the water. All we need is cooperation between nations, because this is a large undertaking, and we need a lot of nations. Also, we need to build on other nations' land because of the limited locations we have. We need world-class engineers because this is a big deal, and it's going to take a lot of smart minds working on it. And we need the proper funds.